is the doctrine of the Trinity. The doctrine of the Trinity is foundational to the Christian faith. It is crucial for properly understanding what God is like, how He relates to us, and how we should relate to Him. But it also raises many difficult questions. How can God be both one and three? Is the Trinity a contradiction? If Jesus is God, why do the Gospel record instances where He prayed to God? While we cannot fully understand everything about the Trinity or anything else, it is possible to answer questions like these and to keep a solid grasp what it means for God to be three in one. One God, three persons. The doctrine of the Trinity means that there is one God who eternally exists as three distinct persons: the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Stated differently, God is one in essence and three in persons. These definitions express three crucial truths. First, the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit are distinct persons. Second, each person is fully God. There is only one God. Number three. The Father, Son, and Holy Spirit are distinct persons. The Bible speaks of the Father as God. Philippians 1:2. Jesus as God. Titus 2:13. And the Holy Spirit as God. Acts 5:3-4. Are these just different ways of looking at God, or simply ways of referring to three different roles that God plays? The answer must be no, because the Bible also indicates that the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit are distinct persons. For example, since the Father sent the Son into the world, John 3:16, He cannot be the same person as the Son. Likewise, after the Son returned to the Father, John 16:10, the Father and the Son sent the Holy Spirit into the world. John 14:26, Acts 2:33. Therefore, the Holy Spirit must be distinct from the Father and the Son. In the baptism of Jesus, we see the Father speaking from heaven and the Spirit descending from heaven in the form of a dove as Jesus came out of the water. Mark 1:10-11, John 1:1 affirms that Jesus is God, and at the same time He was with God, thereby indicating that Jesus is a distinct person from God the Father. See John 1:18. And in John 16:13-15, we see that although there is a close unity between the three persons, the Holy Spirit is also distinct from the Father and the Son. In fact, the fact that the Father and Son and Holy Spirit are distinct persons means, in other words, that the Father is not the Son is not the Holy Spirit, and the Holy Spirit is not the Father. Jesus is God, but he is not the Father or the Holy Spirit. The Holy Spirit is God, but he is not the Father or the Son. They are different persons, not three different ways of looking at God. The personhood of each member of the Trinity means that each person has a distinct center of consciousness. Thus, they relate to each other personally. The Father regards himself as I, while he regards the Son and Holy Spirit as you. Likewise, the Son regards himself as I, but the Father and Holy Spirit as you. End of part